Hey investors, ever wondered where the future of maritime tech is heading? Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of underwater drones and why they're set to make waves in the industry. According to 𝐔𝐧𝐝𝐞𝐫 Strategy Consulting, the global underwater drone market is projected to hit $11 billion by 2030, with a compound annual growth rate of 14%. That's some serious growth potential. So what's driving this surge? Primarily, it's the offshore oil and gas industry. These underwater drones are perfect for infrastructure inspection, maintenance and repair. They offer high maneuverability in deep water, extended dive times, and can safely explore hazardous areas that human divers can't reach. But that's not all. The military and defense sectors are also on board. Underwater drones are being used for naval asset inspections, hydrography, countering waterborne improvised explosive devices, and even port security. It's clear these drones are becoming indispensable. However, it's not all smooth sailing. One challenge is their limited remote control range. Radio waves don't travel well through water, and optical communications need a clear line of sight and can be affected by water turbidity. But here's where it gets exciting. The integration of artificial intelligence in underwater drones opens up new horizons. AI allows these drones to analyze sensor data intelligently and adapt to dynamic underwater environments. This technological leap is expected to drive significant market growth. North America is leading the charge thanks to its high military and defense expenditures, which allow for the adoption of cutting-edge technologies like underwater drones. Major players in this market include BAE Systems, Kongsberg, Lockheed Martin, Saab, Northrop Grumman, Oceanic International, and Boeing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into the maritime industry. Until next time.